So you might be asking yourself, hey, what the heck is a punch time explosion? Let me tell you. I'm Phil. I am the producer for Cartoon Network Punch Time Explosion. It's a game where we have all these great classic and favorite Cartoon Network characters from 11 shows all coming together, fighting each other in this big brawl. We've got 18 playable characters, and then we also have 19 assist characters. We've allowed these universes to come together in a really huge way.
What makes Punch Time Explosion great is the 4-player Wi-Fi. You get to play against 3 of your other friends. You get to play against 3 computer-controlled opponents.
One of my major roles here was to model a lot of the characters in the game. Another one of my responsibilities was to oversee a lot of the animations. So I got to work with people from Cartoon Network with my animation team and just bring a lot of our models to life. If you're a fan of one of these shows, you'll pick up on little references to episodes that we put in the game.
I really wanted to make each character unique, and these shows have tons of material to grab from. One of my favorite characters' design was Ben 10. You get to see him transform into his Ben 10 aliens in the heat of the battle.
Punch Time Explosion gives Cartoon Network fans the opportunity to fight in the universes of all these shows. My favorite level to work on was Samurai Jack. Out of all the cartoons that we have in the game, that was my favorite cartoon growing up.
You're fighting in the middle with flying cars that come at you. They crash into the bridge you're fighting on. It's a great level.
One of my favorite arenas is Primus, the level from the Ben 10 universe. Fans of the show will actually be able to interact and visit this alien planet. My favorite arena to fight in Punch Time Explosion is definitely inside of Bubby's mouth. And it's got these hazards when she opens her mouth and shoots out fish and water, and that's your opportunity to not be able to play out to sea. We've had all these ideas generating for years, working on the shows and listening to ideas from the show creators for years and years, and it all has a place to come together and pretty much explode into this game.
Punch Time Explosion has a single-player adventure mode, and every level that you play through has some really unique design about it that makes it great. For example, in Dexter's lab, you're platforming through his laboratory, which is on red alert. The next thing you know, you end up in a first-person shooter mode inside of his tank, blasting through the lab. You may be using the touchscreen in one level. You might be using the microphone to solve puzzles. Cartoon Network Punch Time Explosion is an awesome fighting game. All of our team members are fans of Cartoon Network shows. So as a team, we knew that we were going to make something really special.